System Restore and Protection is a utility tool in Windows that backs up system files and registry files. This tool restores your computer back to the early state when everything was working and the restore point was created. System Restore and Protection captures systems files, device drivers, system setting, and installed programs. Many users use this feature for backup purposes. Please don't use this utility for backup purpose as System Restore and Protection does not recover your deleted files. Our next video will show you the tool to use for data backup purposes.
Now, let's look at how we can enable System Restore and Protection and create a restore point. Right-click on the icon This PC and select Properties. System Settings window opens. At the far right pane, click on System Protection. System Property window opens. Under System Protection Settings, select the drive C and click Configure. Click on Turn on System Protection. Under Disk Space Usage, drag the slider to allocate maximum hard disk space for system protection. In this case, I'm allocating about 8.36 gigabytes of hard disk space for system protection. Click on Apply, then click OK. You can also choose to enable system protection for other partitions on your hard disks. Please repeat same steps as we just did for the drive C. Select the drive C. Now click on Create and give a name to identify your restore point. Click on Create to start the process. This process will take some time, so I will fast forward the video to finish quickly. Please wait as the process continues. You are done. The restore point has now been created. You can restore your computer to the state as it is now anytime you face problems. Now, let's quickly look at how you can restore when you face a problem. Open the Start menu and search for Restore. Select Create a restore point. This time, under System Restore, click on System Restore. Click Next and select the name of the restore point you created. Click Next, then click Finish to start restoring your PC to its early working state. The restore process will keep some time, so I will fast forward the video to finish quickly. Your PC has been restored to its early working state.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials.